Hey guys and gals, it's Jim back here, and figured I'd do this another update today since I got pretty much a lot of progress done. This is probably the toughest part when you're lighting this model to and building it to get this top part on because it's a pretty big glue area. There's a lot of locating pins in the center. That's why you want to make sure you don't have all your wires in the way and stuff. I haven't light blocked the navigation lights so you can still see them shining through and all that, but that's pretty much what the top will look like. I didn't hook up the strobe and stuff because, like I said, I still got to light block those navigation lights the backside so they don't shine out and everything like that. Um, I'm gonna pop this off real quick. It's just setting in there and all. That way you kind of see what we got. And now I'm gonna turn it over real quick. Got the navigation lights, red and green. Pretty good seal around there. No light leak. Um, the front had a little bit of a warp to it, so kind of like a ski slope on it and stuff. I'm gonna turn these lights off now. So here's what we got. All those wires coming up through these two holes were for the LED tape, the right port and starboard navigation light, and I did put a little SMD down underneath here just to help light that bottom a little bit more. Even though the lights on the top are shining or are bouncing back down there to light it up enough, I tested it out the other day. I just had an extra SMD laying around. It didn't have a home. It was all by its lonesome, so I stuck that on the underside. It doesn't really light up a whole bright like a room would, but it adds a little bit extra light down there and everything. So pretty much what I got here, I got my set of wires for my strobe light on the top of the saucer. That's the only set of wires that goes to the top piece, and then these here are my wires for my constant on, the front navigation light, and then the rear strobe light on in the cells. Got the same thing on both sides. And once I get those wired up, it's going to be real easy to tuck them inside of there and everything. So, all in all, it's coming out pretty good and everything. Got everything taped down up there. All the solder points on the LED tape are I covered them with white tulip and everything just to kind of conceal them. You really can't see much through the tiny windows, but I tried to hide as much. And what I might do before I button her up is look and see if I can see through anything and add some white paint in there or something to cover anything up. But I don't think it's going to be an issue. The windows are so tiny you really can't see into them that well. So but anyway, that's gonna do it. I thought I'd do this quick update so you can see what the next step is. I forgot to mention this a couple of videos back. When I did this extra masking back there, you can see a lighter gray kind of thing. Lou didn't include that with his mask, but I noticed that on another gentleman's mask set that those were there. And also, if you look real close at any kind of photos you can download, they're there. And also, what was omitted from Lou's mask set was this white stripe coming off the side of this whatever mechanical deal here. There's a little gap, and then that's the mask that comes with Lou's set. But that white stripe should have been there too, as well as I put that lighter gray panel there, one over here. It just adds a little bit more detail. Otherwise, it was pretty plain. Another thing I did do. This is to me a rattle can, intermediate blue. I lightened it up the other day before I started assembly. It was a little too dark. I took my Tamiya weathering kit, the white, they call it, use it for snow, but it's just a white. I dusted it on there pretty heavy with a stiff brush, and then I took a soft piece of t-shirt sleeve that I got laying around that I use to wipe things up or polish things I took a piece of the t-shirt material, and then I buffed it down to remove any excess and everything. It did lighten them up quite a bit, and I like it better. Before they were a little on the dark side and everything. Now they don't stand out and pop as much as they did before. So I did do that little bit of touch to it. I did that on the underside, even though you can't see it once the model's put together, and I did it on the two uh, pylons too on the outer side. They got that panel on each side too. So I did do that little bit of extra. I like it. I like the way it turned out a lot better. So that's gonna do it. So yeah, but that's what your next step should look like if you're lighting it. You could do your lights anyway. I've seen some guys do it. One strip here. I don't have the smaller, closer together LED tape. This stuff I bought years ago, probably 10, 12 years ago when I did my refit and stuff. They really didn't have the closer together tape at the time. So I used what I got. So, but I spaced them out more in a square that way, where the other guys kind of put it where you got your points front, back, left, and right. It doesn't matter as long as you got it lit, and you could see when I had the top of the saucer top on there, you could see the windows were pretty well lit and stuff. So anyway, that's going to do it for now and all that. So I thought I'd do this quick update. Hopefully this is helpful for everybody and all that. Later on today, tonight or tomorrow, I'll work on my nacelles, that little bit of work I want to do on them before I assemble those to it and everything. But she's getting close to being finished up. Other than my base, I got to decide what I want to do that. And then once I mount it on the base and everything, and I got my base to my liking, then we'll do the final video. So I may do another one or two videos before she's all finished up, but for now, that's going to do it. So till the next time, thanks to all my subscribers, thanks to all my new subscribers, thanks for hitting the like button, thanks for all the great comments you guys been leaving me. Anybody ever got any questions, you can get a hold of me on my email, which I leave in the descriptions on all my videos and all that. So till the next time, everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. Stay cool. Stay dry. We're getting a lot of rain today. Humid again today. So I'm glad I got all this paint work done a week or so ago. But so far, this has been a lot of fun. Everything's going, not as quick as I expected, but it's going along pretty smoothly and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. It's a nice model, and it is pretty decent size. It's like 13 3/4 long, but it is a pretty decent size model. So it'll look nice sitting next to the refit. And also, I do have the 350 at Klingon Bird of Prey that I built years ago that I did lighting on and everything, and it's in the firing position, the attack position with the wings down. So I may do a video side by side with this down the line sometime too when I get a chance. So everybody, take care, have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll talk to you soon with another update. Bye.